Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to create a chamfer cabinet like this image. Okay, you see the length down here is not the same, right? Okay, so first you can go to customize, right? Then go to system cabinet. Okay, first you can drag out any cabinet you like. So here I drag universal cabinet, then change the depth, maybe put it 400. Okay, 400. Then drag another cabinet here. Okay, you can set the height. Okay, make sure you put different depth for each cabinet here. Okay, so we can do a chamfer cabinet. Alright, and then the distance here you can set maybe 600. Okay, it's up to you, right? Then you can go to free cabinet design up here. Okay, free cabinet design. Then you have to select corner cabinet and pentagonal cabinet. Okay, pentagonal cabinet. Then you can change the size inside here. The width I put 600, the depth also 600. Okay, change the height 2000. Then create project. Okay, place it in the middle space here. Okay, then you can select panel. Okay, select the front panel here and delete it. Okay, then you can select the top panel up here. Okay, select it, choose the style here. Okay, choose the same one, left 5 corner here. Okay, then you will see inside the special parameter values. Okay, change the size ZJ1 to 0. Okay, ZJ2 to 400. Okay, 400 is the depth of the universal cabinet, right? Then the panel on the side here, you can change the depth to 400 also. Okay, 400. Right, next you can select the base panel here. Okay, do the same thing, select it and change the style first. Okay, choose the same left 5 corner, then change the parameter setting here 0, down here 400. Okay, done. Okay, the last part is the skirting panel here. Okay, this one is the base panel. Okay, you can set the rotation here. Okay, you can edit the rotate, maybe put negative 30. Okay, or negative 28. Alright, then you can change the depth here. Okay, still got space, so make it 600. Okay, done. Alright, so that is the final step. Okay, if you click return, this is the outcome. Okay, so you guys can try out. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.